In this video, we'll be visiting the Spring Fair at the NEC Birmingham. Hope you enjoy! Nice. That's our hotel. You go down there.
In my new trainers.
Yeah, but yours are brown anyway. And by the way, I've got a new pair of trainers. I'm just showing them my trainers. It's actually really nice here. We're just heading into the NEC now.
Oh, hi.
Look how confident I am filming here because there's nobody around. I'm going to have to do like a secret cam when we go in. You're not allowed to say that we're Amazon sellers. Shh.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can't say you're Amazon seller.
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice. I bet it's really nice here in the summer. That looks so cool. If I wasn't really unfit, I would go on that.
Jump, jump.
Okay, room tour. There's no spa. No spa out the window, but there is a lake out the window. You still get your clothes on? Oh, okay. You can sit at the desk, do some work. Bathroom. Oh yes, a bath. It's a nice room, £200. The best thing about it, it's really close to the NEC, around that corner there. I'm just going to film until I get told off. We've only been here for 10 minutes. Andrew can't take the shopping anymore. Wakey wakey. My feet are killing me. We didn't film much inside. Quite a few of the stalls said don't film, no photography, which is fair enough. I'm knackered. Are you knackered?
I'm knackered.
But Andrew got some goodies, some freebies. Some yummy freebies. There was a lot of good stalls in there. Really nice, friendly people. So back in tomorrow, we're going to go and have something to eat now. Oh, you just can't see the sunset on this camera. But it's really pretty. So we're off to the casino.
Not food.
It's my donkey carrying all the bags. Hi guys. Why is our room always like the very last door? I think they look at us and say, yeah, they need some exercise. Speaking for myself, obviously. Steak, ribs and prawns. Getting through my mojitos. Just got up to this beautiful view. Even though Andrew's been up for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Spring Fair 1, Andrew 0. A lot of the stalls didn't have the scanners because the scanners cost them like £400 each. Yeah. So a lot of them didn't have scanners. So next time I will definitely bring business cards. It was easy, we just had to fill out forms. Yeah, business card would have been easier. But everyone was really friendly. Yeah, I enjoyed it. And I especially enjoyed my food last night. So that's it. See you later. See you at the next one.